Cookery Grade 10, First Quarter. Prepare egg, cereal, and starch dishes. Lesson 1, Learning Outcome Number 2. Prepare and cook egg dishes. Prepare egg dishes. First, curdled eggs. Put cold eggs into already simmering water and simmer for 30 seconds. For soft eggs, put cold eggs into already simmering water and simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. For medium cooked eggs, put cold eggs into already simmering water and simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. And for hard cooked eggs, put cold eggs into already simmering water and simmer for about 12 to 15 minutes. Next is the poached eggs. Poached eggs are prepared by slipping shelled eggs into barely simmering water and gently cooking until the egg holds its shape. The fresher the egg, the more centered the yolk, the less likely the white is spread and become brog. Poached eggs can be prepared in advance and held safely throughout a typical service period to make the workload easier during service. Slightly under-poach the eggs, shock them in ice water to arrest the cooking process, trim them, and hold them in ice water. At the time of service, reheat the eggs in simmering water. Eggs are most often poached in water. Through other liquids such as red wine, stock, or cream can also be used. Add vinegar and salt to the water to encourage the egg protein to set faster. Otherwise, the egg whites can spread too much before they coagulate. How to make poached eggs. Tools and equipment needed: saucepan and skimmer. Ingredients needed: 1 liter water, 1 tablespoon salt, 15 ml vinegar, and 3 eggs. Procedure: prepare tools and equipment and food items. Be sure that the eggs are chilled until ready to poach. Number 2. Combine the water, salt, and vinegar in a deep pan and bring it to bare simmer. Number 3. Break each egg into a clean cup and then slide the egg carefully to the poaching water. Next is to cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until the whites are set and opaque. Then, remove the eggs from the water with a slotted spoon, blot them on absorbent toweling, and trim the edges if desired. And finally, serve or chilled and refrigerate for later use. Standard qualities of poached eggs and cooked eggs in the shell. First, it should have a bright and shiny appearance. Second, compact, round shore, not spread or flattened. Third, it should have a firm but tender whites. And lastly, warm and liquid yolks. How to make poached eggs. A good cooked poached eggs has a compact, glossy, tender, white, and unbroken, thickened yolk. The critical factors are: we should check the quality of the egg, the temperature, the amount of liquid, and the way the egg is put in the pan. Fried eggs. Fried eggs call for a perfectly fresh eggs, the correct heat level, an appropriate amount of cooking fat, and deft hands. Fried eggs may be served sunny side up, and it should not be turned or over or turned once. Fried eggs may be basted with fat as they fry. Using very fresh egg is the only way to ensure a rich flavor and good appearance of the finished dish. The standard qualities of fried eggs. First, white should be shiny, uniformly set, and tender, not browned, blistered or crisp at edges. Second, yolk should be set properly according to desired doneness. Sunny side up yolks should be yellow and well-rounded. In other styles, the yolk is covered with a thin layer of coagulated white. Third, relatively compact, standing high, not spread out and thin. Fourth, a fried egg should have a yolk covered with a thin film of coagulated egg white and still remain slightly fluid. Fifth, the egg white should be opaque with firm and tender, not chewy, crisp, or brown. Sixth, a perfectly fried egg is glory to behold. Crispy edges and wobbly, pinkish yolk. And lastly, it will provide a fried egg with slightly crispy, frilly edge. The white will be set and the yolk soapy and runny. Types of fried eggs. First, the sunny side up. Cook slowly without flipping until white is completely set, but yolk is still soft and yellow. Heat must be low or bottom will toughen or burn before top is completely set. Another way of frying eggs is over easy fry and flip over. You just have to cook just until the white is just set but the yolk is still liquid. Next is the basted. Do not flip. Add a few drops of water to pan and cover to steam cook the top. A thin film of coagulated white is cover the yolk, which should remain liquid. A time to remember. Activity: prepare egg dishes. Direction: given the different recipes in preparing and cooking egg dishes, perform the suggested activities below. Your product and performance will be evaluated using the given rubric after each activity. The tools and equipment needed are saucepan, skim, and skimmer. Ingredients needed are 1 liter of water, 1 tablespoon salt, 15 ml vinegar, and 3 eggs. Procedure: prepare tools, equipment, and food items. Be sure that the eggs are chilled until ready to poach. Combine the water, salt, and vinegar in a deep pan and bring it to bare simmer. Break each egg into a clean cup and then slide the egg carefully in the poaching water. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until the whites are set and opaque. Remove the eggs from the water with slotted spoon. Blot them on absorbing towel and trim the edges if desired. Plate the poached eggs. Take a picture, write a paragraph explaining the procedure you had done, and an evaluation of your output regarding the appearance, the texture, and the taste. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.